guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. So, just filling up the drill, gonna go get some winter beans in the ground. The bean bag blew away. Literally, it's a bean bag. Right, it's got to calibrate the drill now. Tear the bucket and let some seed out. Right, 1.95 kilos. Right, the drill computer says it's dispensed 2.198, so I put in the correct amount, 1.95, correct the error, and we're good to go. Quickly, Dad, quickly. Dad's on the back, having a look, checking its level. Good drill, isn't it?
Oh, top drill. You couldn't put beans in better than that.
It's about level.
Textbook, I'd say. It's dead level, Nick. All going in perfectly. I'd say spot on. Just watch the back arrow doesn't block, but don't think it will.
Yeah.
Really, really pleased with that.
Good.
Yeah, just let it dry a bit of harrow across and leave them.
Yeah, probably harrow it but not roll it. How are your gloves? Look at those.
Good, aren't they? Yeah.
You're going to show everybody what you did?
Well, I didn't hurt my finger.
It was an A&E job.
It was, yes.
He came rushing up the yard the other day saying, Nick, I think I've got to go to the hospital. So I thought for a few minutes and then I thought, well, I better take it.
Yeah, I did cut my finger. It's fine. General Hospital fixed me up. I wasn't in the accident emergency very long at all. They used the stereo strips rather than stitching it.
Yeah, you didn't need stitches, did you?
No. So it's all good.
That's pretty much what happens when Dad mixes with a sander. Yeah, oh gosh.
Yeah, I was sanding a piece of wood.
Sanding a piece of wood.
I've got correct.
I'm not concentrating.
Not concentrating. Goggles, because I always want to protect your eyes, but I hadn't got gloves on, and that was the problem. I caught in the bottom of the sander, and it just pinched and cut it. So always wear full PPE.
PPE.
Okay, see you then.
Yeah, I'll crack on.
Crack on.
See you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, he was using a sander and caught his finger. So, ouch. Right, beans, winter beans. This is the first time growing beans on the farm for a few years now, and like I said in the previous video, we're just doing a few acres to grow on for seed stock for next year to act as a break crop between wheat. Beans are a nitrogen fixing crop, and this is a variety of winter beans called Vespa. When we used to grow beans, we used to grow an old variety called Wizard, and I always liked those because the logo for Wizard bean seed was a wizard. It was like a cartoon wizard, and it really looked like something Well, it was sort of 70s style. It looked like it could have been, you know, on the front cover of Lord of the Rings or something. It was, yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, this is a variety called Vespa, and I'm drilling these at a rate of 210 kilograms a hectare, which is about 85 to 90 kilograms an acre, something like that. For those of you who are still in Imperial, a bit like Dad, he's an Imperial. He's, well, he's old, isn't he? So, yeah, he's all about hundredweights and pounds and ounces. No idea. Kilograms a hectare. It's easier, although I do prefer acres, to be honest, but I still don't know what a hundredweight is. No idea. Yeah, this is probably the last job for the John Deere this year, and like Dad said, we'll probably go over this with the harrows once it's dried. Be a nice job for the TW to do on the big old Terra tyres. Yeah, it's drilling all right by the looks of it. It is hard sometimes from the cab to see how level it is and how all the tines are working. That's why Dad goes on the back and has a little look. But yeah, doing a fair job. With the T-dubs. And for those of you wondering why I drilled my headland first, I probably shouldn't have done. You know when you get something in your head? Dad had said, make a start on your headlands and I'll jump on the back of the drill to see how it's working. So as soon as that was said, I was like, right, headlands first. Didn't really think about it. But after I'd gone round a couple of times, I thought to myself, yeah, I probably should have done the headlands last. Sometimes with the drill, if conditions are right, I will do the headlands last. But it does mean you're turning on your headlands each time, so you can only really do that when conditions are sort of spot on. So in hindsight, I probably should have done the headlands last this time, but it's all right. The Harrows will take the wheel marks out. And this is the best tractor for the job, with the big old Terra tyres. I want to say, for those of you who saw my last video where I included some old footage, some old harvest footage from 2011, 10 years ago, I asked you guys which model John Deere you thought it was we had. The answer is an 8320. A lot of you guys were close, and a few of you got it. But yeah, the answer is an 8320. We had that tractor new, I think it was in 2003, and I was only about 11, but I do remember that coming brand new on the farm. And I even drove it up the farm lane. I remember doing that. And yeah, we had that tractor for a fair while. That was a good tractor. Pretty much identical to the 8270, except it didn't have the independent suspension. But yeah, was a brilliant tractor. Yeah, I'm hoping I can find some more old footage. And if I do, I'll definitely share it with you guys. I'll do my best to see what I can find. Right then guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and tap the little bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So take it easy guys, and we'll see you all in the next one. See you later.